We've all had hiccups, right? They're a bit annoying. But do you know why they happen? A hiccup is when your diaphragm suddenly squeezes. This makes the muscles in your chest and belly shake. At the same time, a part in your throat, where your voice comes from, called the glottis, closes quickly. That's what makes the hic sound. It's like a reflex. If you get hiccups a lot, there are things you can do to stop them. Eat smaller meals more often. This can help your stomach get not too full and upset your diaphragm. And try to avoid drinks and foods that make you burp a lot. If you get hiccups a lot, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor, just in case.